Hey, finally made it. Ty versus Mr. Winner. Been waiting for you for a long time. So it's snowing out today. I try to get creative. Yeah, with the workout and do some things different. You know, don't really know what I'm gonna do yet, but I got a few tools involved with me. I'm gonna try to come up with something and make it real, make it happen. So.
Come along, can we dim the lights, let me get into my zone. Come along, come along, but I don't trust the soul, so make sure you come along. Now let it breathe. Come along, can we dim the lights, let me get into my zone. Come along, come along, but I don't trust the soul, so make sure you come along. Now let it breathe.
These are the days I live for, nothing better. But this was fun, and that's what it's about for me. Fun, so as long as I can make it fun and get the results that I want, that I need, I'm happy. But, you know, fitness can be whatever we make it. Whatever we make it. It can be grueling, it can be tough, it can be hard, it can be uncomfortable, you know. All those things at some point are necessary, but more than anything, you've got to have fun with it. You've got to be creative. You've got to switch it up. It's got to be diverse. You've got to throw variety into your routine. I've been working out for about an hour here, and my time is up. Cold, my feet are frozen, but you know, hey, this is it. You know, Ty Cardwell. Check me out, Cardwell Fitness.